I'm just going to show you what's in the new Web IDE. This is version 0.47, which you should be seeing in the next few days. Now, from the front it looks exactly the same, but the main thing that we've added here is code completion using the turn library. So if you start typing a command and you hit Control Space, you'll see a list of completions that you can move between with the up and down arrows. Not only that, but it actually gives you a bit of documentation that's scraped off the Espruino website. So if you do this and then you do open brackets, it will also show you which arguments are expected. Now, because I've actually connected to the board already, it will have gone online and it will have downloaded a list of the available pins and what they're connected to. So if I do Control Space now, it will have pulled the list of those pins to the front, and if you step up and down, you'll see the kind of things that they're attached to. For instance, you know that A10 now is connected to the Bluetooth module if you've got a Bluetooth module connected, and in fact it doesn't have the A to D converter like pin A1 might do. So you'd know that you can't use that, and similarly, you know, LED 1, 2 and 3 and what they are. So you can easily select that, but often you might write your pin name right at the top of the code, like this. You know, that would be a nice way of seeing how you should connect up your project, or it's easy enough to change something then if you decide to rewire your project. And it knows about that too. So if I go in here and I do Control Space, now you'll see that my pin is listed as a suggestion too. So that'll work quite nicely. The other thing it does is it analyzes your code for functions. So if I write a function here and I give it a comment, and then I try and use that function, if I type AN and Control Space, you'll see that now you've got a code completion for any, as well as analog read and analog write, and it shows you the comment. So in bigger projects with Espruino, this is going to be really handy. You're going to be able to see exactly what you have to find. So you've got all that. Now the Web IDE's been missing find and replace for a while. That's now been added using Control F, like you might expect. All of the key shortcuts are available from settings. If you just scroll down, you'll see them all listed here. Now, as well as all that, we've also got a slightly updated project system. The project system allows you to define a directory on your local hard disk, and that directory can contain modules, it can contain source code, and also it can contain code snippets that you can use in the terminal on the left. We've got the tours here that will walk you through how to set it up and how to use it as well. It's still a little bit beta at the moment, as is the testing plugin, which is a way to display a graph in the left-hand side of the Web IDE. So things like analog values, time, you know, internal variables, you can all graph out every second, and you can see how things are changing. So any feedback on these, any pull requests for reliability, user interface changes, all really appreciated. Yeah, that's about all we've got, so thanks for watching.